Welcome to English tutorial on Kahlil Gibran's poem Song of the Rain. Drops of rain are in fact pearls which are plucked from the crown of Ishtar, the goddess of fertility and love, a personification of Venus, the planet. The first rays of the sun pluck these pearls, go down to the earth and beautify the gardens there. Rain originates from the heart of the sea in the form of vapors. As the breeze blows, these vapors form themselves into a cloud. The cloud becomes heavy with water. When the cloud sees a parched field, it comes down to the earth in the form of raindrops. The flowers and trees get rejuvenated by the sweet embrace of raindrops. The arrival of rain is declared by thunder, and its exit is pronounced by the appearance of a rainbow in the sky. Just as man's life begins with birth and ends with death, in the same way, the life of rain also begins with a composition of 5 elements of water, air, sky, and earth, and ends with death. The shimmering drops of rain, coming one after the other, form a dotted thread coming from heaven to beautify the fields and valleys. The pitter-patter of raindrops is welcomed by one and all as it touches the windows with soft fingers. Everyone hears this song, but only sensitive people can appreciate the message it brings from heaven. In fact, there's a love affair between the clouds and the fields, and rain acts as a go-between. It brings the message of love from heaven to the earth. It satisfies the thirst of the fields and provides relief to the clouds which are heavy due to vapors. Rain is a common link between the sea, the field, and the heaven. It is a deep, cold breath of the sea which gives happiness to the fields as it comes down in the form of tears from heaven. When it rains heavily, the hills laugh with joy. When it falls softly, the flowers feel elated. And when it retires, all things are filled with joy. Rain is beautiful in all its aspects. Rain is an expression of love. The sea sighs with affection. The fields laugh with joy. And heaven expresses love in the form of tears. Okay. Thank you.